Hey folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you. Today we're going to talk about a common problem with Seadoo jet skis. Ours is a 3D. There are other models that have the same type of issue, and that's that the trim and tilt goes out. What happens is this part right here, which is a plastic part, breaks. The modern fixings put the brass on, and then you get to lose these parts right here. That'll be gone, as well as your cup pieces will be gone. So I went and picked myself up some replacement parts, and I'm ready to put it back together. Where this goes, right down here on the end of the trim here. That goes up and into here, and that controls your trim. Now I tried screwing this in from the other side, the easy way, but it just doesn't want to. So I got to take it apart and figure out what's going on. So I got myself a 13mm impact. We'll take this bracket off right here. Now be careful so you don't drop anything, because there are more parts. Bolt out of there. Get the bracket out. And like I said, be careful, because you got a spacer you can lose right there. So I'm going to set these aside, and I've identified my major problem. That's right here. There's no way that the new part's going to be able to screw into here because the old part's still there. So I'm going to have to take this up to the house and gently remove it so I don't mess up the threads, and I can put it back together. All right, now that I've got the part out of there, I want to take this guy and run him through, make sure the threads are good. All right, they're good, so I'm going to go ahead and put it together. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more innovative DIY projects.